recap for today's episode. Today's episode, I made chicken fajitas. First of all, I prepared the salsa by mixing the tomatoes, onion, red onion, chopped cilantro, jalapeno, garlic, lime juice, and salt. Place in the fridge until it's ready to be used. To prepare the fajita seasoning, in a small jar, I placed chili powder, ground cumin, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, sugar, and salt. In a large bowl, I placed the chicken, onion, peppers, olive oil, garlic, fajita seasoning, mix well. Transfer to a baking pan. Spread evenly. Cook in 450 Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. To serve, warm tortillas so it's soft. Add spoonful of salsa, sour cream. Add chicken mixture, sprinkle with cheese. Garnish with cilantro, roll, and serve.